Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Fred from GetMeCoding.com, and I have a message here for any of you who are either a teacher, a homeschooler, or maybe just somebody that's looking to learn how to code. I don't know, I'm going to talk to you a little bit. So the question I have for you right off the bat is, have you ever been asked to teach something in a course or a special topic that you really aren't familiar with covering? So I know I have, and it usually brings about a little bit of stress right before we need to offer the course or the topic that we're going to cover. That time spent right before that is a scramble, right? You're looking for downloads, you're looking for videos, you're maybe looking for a textbook, but you're looking for some kind of materials to pull together. Now granted, if you're a teacher or a homeschooling parent, you might have a break and you have all these great aspirations to go out there and make good use of that time to prepare for that coming course or that topic. Now, I've been teaching a long time, and this situation has happened to me more times than I really even care to count. But what I would have here for you is a course that if you are being asked to teach a STEM-oriented or a STEAM-oriented, STEM being science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, I have a package of materials that you could use to teach, and in this case, coding. So instead of scouring all over the place, I'm going to give you access to a number of downloads where I explain to you how you could use them, whether you are a teacher in a classroom or even a homeschooling parent, or maybe even just somebody that's learning to code. This course is set up this way so that as you go through, you're going to learn about all these fundamental pieces in learning how to use programming technology, learn how to be a programmer. And the tool that we're using for this particular course is something known as Scratch. Now Scratch is free and it's available at MIT.edu, scratch.mit.edu, and you could utilize that tool too. It's free, you can go out there and use it. What this course is really helpful with is I bring all of this together in a nice sequence so that you could take it, modify it, or even use it as is for your own class. Or if you're at home trying to teach that young person how to code, everything is right here. But I also know that when I was preparing for my class topics that I really wasn't familiar with, I often felt like I was on an island and I didn't have any resources. I wasn't sure who to reach out to. And on occasion, there would be another teacher that I could email and ask them some questions, but sometimes they were busy and they didn't always get right back to me. Well, I'm going to let you know also that when you sign up for this course, you're going to also have access to me, who I will be more than willing to guide you along and answer your questions as you move through the material. Or even when you get ready to offer that material, I'm still only an email away. Or we can even arrange a phone call and I'll be glad to help you move through that. So that's something that I didn't have, but I am giving to you. Now by doing this, it eliminates all the mystery of you scouring the web, looking for PDF downloads, looking for videos that you could pull in and so on. I bring that all to you right into this course. You're going to sign up for the course, and at checkout, I would like you to use the code provided that will give you a 40% discount. Okay, so that is a big savings on really something that's going to save you a ton of time. Okay, so you're going to have everything right there. It'll be in a nice, neat package. You have access to me, and using this discount code during this early sign-up stage, it's going to save you some money too. Going forward, if you have any other questions, by all means, you could email me and reach out to me, and then I'll be glad to answer those questions and get you coding. So, if this is a course that you think you could use, please do sign up and get the early bird discount. But also more importantly, if you know a teacher or a homeschooler and you're watching this video and you think this course can help them, by all means, please share it out. Or go back over to visiting www.getmecoding.com. That's Oliver over there. He drives the ship in this house. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I'm hoping that you have a great break. But more importantly, don't forget to get ready for your courses. See you, everybody.